pala, nakapatrol pala kayo, no?
Hindi po. Montero.
Monte, ayaw magbaboy po din.
Kaya lang hindi na kami tumuloy ng pinakatuktok kasi si mama nininervous.
This is now my
Ayaw na ni mama. Baba na tayo, baba na, baba na.
fourth time.
Jana, wait for us. Jana.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. We're here now at the Alokar. Alaka. Sumawin yun ah.
This is old
Hey guys.
rose, no? I think rose flower, no?
No, it's Alokar.
No. It's divided by 9. 30 divided by 9. So it's 3 point something. Yeah.
Nervous na, you can close.
You said 30 riyas? No, I paid only 30 riyas for all of us.
I thought 9 per adult.
No.
Okay.
Divided by 9.
Divided by
Attendance
9.
check.
So
Attendance check.
3.5.
Yan.
I didn't include Kuya Mars because Kuya Mars is still student.
Yeah.
He's
So
like in
I just
discount.
include
I have
the adult
discount.
who's working.
Takip si baby, Yusuf.
Yes.
Kasi,
Attendance check.
Kailangan.
Kompleto po kami.
Medium but slim fit. That's why.
Ganun pala yun. Jana. Daddy. Daddy.
Uy, dito kayo.
Dito ka.
Dito lang kayo.
Kumapit.
Tara dyan.
This is old.
That tourist guide.
Yeah. Guys, this is a road. No.
Dali na, mabuti ang batok sa atin.
Hey.
Hey! Hey, happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Hey.
Yeah, dito sa tabi.
Chimno.
Yeah, dito.
Careful guys ha. You can take picture here because this is a very nice view.
Camera?
This is Jebel Akhtar.
Huh?
Jana.
Picture dyan ha?
One mistake.
Mami,
Jana,
too much.
I'm telling you, one mistake. Wala, everything. You have to be extra careful. This is not a joke.
Right there, blind dog. Jana, come with me. Imagine your house was there. That won't be comfortable. Just take off. I want to have picture there. I want to have a picture.
Yeah, there. Be careful, guys.
Sorry.
Oh, cars coming behind. Jana.
Here.
Maureen, can you hold Jana, please? Because there's a car behind.
Aww.
Do you have this in?
Yeah. Jana. Can you move closer to the signage, please? Jana. Maureen. One more. One, two. Another one.
Ikaw din.
One, two.
Ang ganda ng mga cellphone niya.
Jana, hug this. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Just think how peaceful your life live over there.
Latak van Chris on your
Don't worry. Oop, be careful.
Muhammad.
Uy!
Wow, coach.
Nice.
You're doing good, coach.
Nice coach.
One more.
Nice, coach.
Diba?
Wow, coach. I'm gonna print that on my shirt.
Jump shot.
Sorry.
Hey, you ate. Yeah.
Everyone.
This one first. 1, 2, 3.
Nice. John, go.
Me?
Let me hold.
It's recording.
Okay. Why is it?
Can you take a picture with Dana?
Oh.
Do a flip. Kuya Jan, do a flip. Ay, depressed. Oh, woo. Meow, 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 meow.
Okay. How can you take a picture with your phone? Like your phone. What do you do for a living? Yeah. Oğlum aşağıda kahve çektik ya.
Look at John's face. She looks scared. Like it's very visible. He's
Marv, you want
terrified.
a picture there?
Oh, sure.
Marv, no, it's hot.
Ano, okay ba?
forgot my
Or gusto mo pa? Tikmo natin.
Okay na yun.
Nice.
Hindi ko naman nagpo-post eh.
Thank you.
Picture.
You want?
No, 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 I'm okay. No, I'm good, thank you.
Cover my. Don't cover my.
What? I'm also recording something. I'm making small clips.
Ate, kawaii.
Rice field, they call it rice terrace. Very huge. It's like the whole mountain. But that's the number one expo for us. Have you watched the Spanish movie, the ending, the first part? Yes. Where after he snapped, he stayed in the field. Yes. The field. Oh wow. Yeah. He set up there, right? In Anipa Hut. Jana, come with me. Jana, wait for me. Jana,
Kabayan!
Ako daddy, pakihawakan na ako kasi gusto na ba?
We're so scared. It's not scary at all. See?
Ano na, nakita mo? Pangkala lang namin.
There!
Yung ano na kita, ay, Miss Laura, ay,
Not this one! We shall not this one! We want this one.
Those are rose water.
3.
Olive oil.
Okay, I will give you that one.
Okay.
Alright.
Manita.
Follow them.
You have 3?
Yeah?
Sign me up.
for real?
Yes. No internet, no people.
If you are a writer,
Yes.
you need this.
But if you are also introverted, you need this.
Yeah. But most of the writer, no?
Yeah.
There's a fee. What is that?
It's for free. The fee is for free. Five?
Yeah, additional cost.
Can you check?
I got that.
Take from here.
We don't have any room available tonight.
Oh, there's food.
What's that?
There's food.
May sukan.
I'm gonna try to beat that one.
بس ما كله.
Diyan sila dyan sa atin. Yan na yung lift. It's red now. Because it's cold.
Look at my nose, it's red. Let's put the glass. Yo! Yo! Kuya! Yo! Yo! What in the world? We're in the top!
Daddy, see you sa ano dyan.
Mami! Sit here, Mami.
Wow, amazing. It's actually very beautiful. Guys, naka-record ako kuya. Sige, dyan ka. Ito ang isang pogi. Napakaganda. Sino ka? Binuo nito ng Panginoon. Napaka-pogi at napakaganda nito. Pinapangit yung
Solo picture ka lang kay Mita mo.
po.
Risha! Look at that coffee shop! It's so amazing!
Solo picture ka kay Mita, tapos si Mita rin.
Wait lang po ngayon. Wait lang. Ah, sige po. Wait lang po.
Ganito ang mindset namin.
Uli!
Pupunta ka sa isang lugar.
Mushroom pala to?
It's okay. Kasi parang guys, mag-here. Saan ba yung Rose Garden?
Sarado pa eh.
It's closed?
Not yet. Not yet. Still many. Still many.
It's still evening?
Still many. Still many things to visit here. But we cannot visit all.
Kumain na at
Because by
tulog pa.
around...
Bilin lang kami. You say hi, hi!
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 High five!
Hi, Tito
High five!
Hi, pa!
Fist bump!
Fist bump!
Okay.
Okay.
Ito tapo mo na.
Patarik.
Too big.
You know, according to Google, coffee is it's a fiber, and at the same time, yeah, it's an antioxidant. You know, when you say antioxidant, you can choose. You know, yoko na. Wala tandaan.
It's very antioxidant. All the sugar and the whole liquid in there.
Ramadan Bara.
Whoa! I remember the Wadi Shab. Remember? Museum.
Hot. It's hot. It's hot.
Mami, remember before they don't have like this.
Yeah,
Only in that
because
they
Ew!
develop.
Look at that. Ew. It's not out. Look at it's broken. Nice feather. Wow. Too heavy. Too heavy. My legs are ripping.
this is good for cardio.
Yeah.
This is Dustin?
Oh. Daisy! Daisy! Hello!
Yeah.
Let's go, let's go.
Mayroong ibang laruan, yung ganun na lang.
Wala eh.
Nakaka-irritate kasi nagre-record.
Enough na, enough.
Tama na.
Dati ka ba muna? Baka maipit si Yusuf ha. Okay naman sa likod natin.
Peekaboo, pika peekaboo, peekaboo, Mishi, peekaboo.
Ay!
Uy,
Ah, nababa.
pinababa ba?
Hindi, pang ano lang yan, pang taas lang.
Oh, my ear's hurting.
Pika mo si Yusuf.
My ear's is hurting. I can't hear. Yusuf, Yusuf, Yusuf.
Manual talaga, no? Dahil pagpakit.
Grabe sa mapa. Oh.
Ang mahirap yung bababa eh. Yan ang mahirap.
Kumano sa tayo.
Uy, ang bilis na
Bilis.
ito.
Magaang sila eh. Sakay.
Duro walang sakit. Siya lang. Ayan. Parang nakalutang.
My ears hurt a little bit. How about you?
Bakit ganun sila mag-drive?
The John, your ears hurt.
Yeah.
Me too. How about you?
Dahil pala bukas bumaba tayo, tayo mga pagsabayan. So, let's go. We work in Anantara, Salala.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
So, you have to tour us here.
Yes. Friend is there waiting.
Diyan na.
Nakita na ba yung buffet natin, Char?
Jacqueline.
Baka naman kape charot.
Mita.
Grabe.
Macy.
Wow.
Misha.
Yan na naman, ginaw na ginaw.
Tristan.
you gonna wear your shoes, kuya?
Oh. Macy.
Ay, kunin ko yung water niya.
Ate Mel.
What do you think?
That's right.
Balot na balot naman.
Kita, kuya na ba niya?
Nagpalit tayo si Pastor Chris ng shoes, oh.
At-
Ikaw
at-
hindi
ano,
pa.
attendance
Gusto
check
sila
to.
mag-walking na sila.
Oh, attendance check. Attendance check po, baka may nawawala.
Tara!
Hello. Ay, andito yata.
Attendance check.
Present.
Yeah. Ito nga, no? Walang
You have hats and sunglasses.
Di ka-work niya before.
Saan? Sa?
Same din, pero sa Salala.
Anantara sa Lala.
Ah. Wow.
Misha Sin. Misha. Misha. Shake ka ni.
This is recording. Hello.
Hi! Welcome to my club.
This is recording.
Just got this
I think
we already had here.
Look at that view.
Also,
Mami,
Came from like over there
kayong dalawa ate.
to here.
Go, family picture.
Beautiful. There's pool there and another people over there.
Ay, it's not cold.
Then just full on mountains,
Later pa, magiging.
covered by mountains. I think I'm pretty sure that I think over there. Kaya where's the saan yung dagat dito kaya? Saan dito yung dagat? Nandun ba or dito sa kabila?
Sa
Doon?
pagkakaalala ko nung ginawa namin itong pala.
Ganun po ba?
I think I remember when we built the ocean there.
Oh really? Very
Yeah,
amazing.
and then there's the place where we can eat biryani.
Wow, amazing.
And paresan.
Pulong ka ng kalakuhan.
They sell
Oh,
kwek
wow.
kwek and fishball.
Oh wow, that's delicious. Fly me down there.
And my underarm is
Hello.
Yeah.
hi.
Yeah, I bring, did you bring uno?
Yeah.
Ah, yun, nice.
I bring the, ano, Vicks it. Kuya Flor. Kuya Flor. And then, okay.
But that's awesome because we are getting this.
Say hi.
They went there. We went there.
That's the boys.
Anantara?
Mira and Tara with
It's the girls. Hello.
Fine. So you went like with the
they were
customers.
top there like
Why?
go. Don't be
Where's
shy.
your family? Where's your
Oh, they're just chilling, just running around or something.
No, they're drinking coffee while sitting.
Oh, they're probably
we
sitting over
play what do
there.
you call that game? The throw.
I don't know.
Throw in the
What
football.
Yes.
But you feel right?
Oh, what's that? That's for hello. What's that? That's speaker. Wow.
Abasi, just take yourself, grab some, ano, you can sit here, madam. Give me some,
Excuse me.
Dad, come here. Daddy, kuha ka ng ano, isang chair for us. Let's, ano, you're not,
Wow. I mean, I don't know if we are allowed to do that.
Oh, parang ano.
Morg, why are you hiding yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, my name.
portrait ko.
Got you, bro.
Ganda.
Here's a pen.
Photo ko.
Here's in heaven.
Yusuf. See in the camera. Yusuf. Yusuf.
Jana. Jana.
Take all picture.
Wala kayo magkakaroon ng magandang ano.
Don't just pull Yusuf, okay? It's dangerous.
Tara, Misha. Nana.
Daddy, all of us, guys. With the sunset.
Jana, clean the table.
Dinapin pa.
Lahat.
Let's go. Yeah.
Talaga, mama.
Misha. Misha, come. Wait lang po. Hey, Jana.
Dana, come here.
Lipat na.
Sige na, let's go. Kasi, dito na yung
Misha na.
Tara na. Tristan. Tristan, let's go. Tapos ano? Tapos,